Today we're going to read about one of our favorite animal architects, the beaver. This skilled rodent lives in rivers and streams in woodland areas where it constructs dams and builds its den. Beavers move better in water than on land. A river den. The beaver constructs the den together with its partner to protect the family from other animals such as bears and wolves, shelter during the cold winter, store food, branches, bark, and foliage for when the river freezes. And remember, when we were studying plants, we know that foliage means the leaves. So there are the beavers. Let's see what these bubbles point us to. The beavers can shelter safely inside the den. Aw, they're so cute. The steeper entrance allows them a quick entry and exit. So there it is, under the water. The gently sloping entrance allows them to bring wood inside. Oh wait, there's the gently sloping one. And then the steeper one goes right over there, so they can get in and out quickly. How it's built. The perfect site. The couple chooses a tranquil river with shallow waters of about 3 feet in depth. They cut tree trunks, branches, and bark with their sharp teeth and use these materials to build a dam to create a little lake. A sound foundation. Sound this time meaning strong, sturdy. In the center of the lake, they form a base of stones and mud, then build up a pile of branches and foliage until it emerges above the surface of the water. So emerges comes out of, just like when we talk about caterpillars coming out as butterflies, they emerge as an adult butterfly. A sturdy roof. A dome-shaped top made of branches, dried leaves, interwoven grass is covered with wet mud and moss that hardens like a rock when frozen. Entry doors. Located under the water are 2 doors, one to enter and exit, the other to bring in the food. The chimneys. They leave a hole in the dome for ventilation. They think of every detail. So look, there's the chimney to let fresh air in. Security. Lastly, the beavers surround the little lake with a stinky fence made with mud and castoreum, which is a foul-smelling substance that they produce. The smell is so strong that nobody gets close except members of the family. Maintenance. They are always repairing the den and extensions. Beavers are very hard working. So if somebody ever says you're working like a beaver, you're working very hard. Beaver characteristics. There it is. They weigh 45 to 65 pounds. Their length is 30 to 50 inches. The tail is 1/3 of the total length. Their height is 12 inches. So if they were 45 inches, that means their tail would be 15. 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 45. That's thirds. Behavior. Oh, wait, let's go back to habitat. Rivers and streams of cold woodland areas in North America and Europe. The behavior, semi-aquatic animal. That means part of the time in the water. It lives with partner and in groups. Almost always works at night. Feeding, herbivorous. Remember, herbivores eat plant materials. Leaves, bark, aquatic plants, and fruits. Enemies. Human are the beaver's worst enemy, but not the only one. Bears, foxes, and fishers are also a threat to them. So there's their plan. Materials, muds, and stone form the base on which to build the den. Branches, dried leaves, and interwoven grasses are the main materials for the dome and the chamber's floor. Wet mud and moss cover the dome and form a hard shell when frozen. Castoreum, an oily brown substance with a foul smell produced by the beaver. So there's our beaver architect plan.